In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a repository on GitHub. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into github.com, log in into your account, and then from here, you want to navigate into your repository that you want to delete. So in my case, it's right here. So I'm going to click here on my repository. And from here, to delete this, you want to click here on settings right here at the top. And from here is that you want to scroll down. And then you'd be able to see the danger zone. And this is where you'd be able to delete this repository. Click here on delete this repository and click on I want to delete this repository. And from here, you'd be able to see that unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. So make sure that you understand all of the notices before you proceed. So now I'm going to click here on I have read and understand these effects. And now all you have to do is to just simply type in this one right here that is coded. So it's simply my username and then my repository name with a slash. Delete repository, and just like that, you have now successfully deleted, as you can see right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.